Great championship roller derby bout tonight. Give it up for both of these teams. Yeah! That's great roller derby right there, folks. What an effort put forth. We got Pippi Strong walking and Jay Bond at the front of the pack.